Hi there, welcome to ITyug 24/7. Today we will learn the way to get an official iTunes for Windows 11 and 10 easily. So come to start. Go to Microsoft Store and search for iTunes. This is the official one from Apple. Simply install it. It will be installed automatically in your computer. Done. Open it. Accept the agreement. So, finally, this is the latest iTunes in your PC. I have connected an iPhone to my computer. It has automatically detected it. Here you can see the details of my phone here. And you can start adding your files to the phone from your PC to your iPhone, like your music, videos, etc. Okay. But if you are using any older Windows version like Windows XP or Windows 7, then simply come here and download for 32-bit. Also for any Mac OS, you can download here too. So in this video, we try to show you our best about the latest iTunes setup. Please be with us and also subscribe to inspire us. Goodbye.